fam! So panibagong araw, panibagong vlog na naman dito sa Nian Family. Welcome sa aming vlog. And before we start,
subscribe na po kayo.
Yes, absolutely. Maraming salamat po. Masaya na kami sa 1 subscribe. We are already happy na. So guys, before we start the vlog, I just want to tell you a really bad news from here in Italy. And for sure, it's a news for buong mundo, for the whole world. So guys, we should take some time to pray for the soul of Papa Francesco, because he just passed away today in the morning. So yun yung aming nabalitaan. It's April 21 ngayon. So and actually binalita lang sa akin ni Nancy, hindi ko alam because I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what Nancy's doing. She sent me some link and that's it. Yeah. And there are news na the next Pope will be Filipino, no? Filipino, siguro si Bishop Tagle ang susunod, but we don't know. I think there are news, pero we're not sure yet. Yeah. So guys, as you can see, yeah.
Now they will start to decide.
Now they will start to decide. Yeah, the famous smoke, no? Alam naman nating lahat. We all knew about that smoke.
But first they will do the
selection.
The celebration of the funeral.
Yeah, of course the funeral first, and maybe, I don't know. Maybe one day I will go in Rome, kasi I need to process some documents of the kids. Kanilang report, no? Si Dylan at Noah. I don't know if Nancy will come with me, but yes, to be decided. So guys, let's start the vlog now. Kita nyo naman, naka t-shirt lang ako kasi it's a good weather, 21 degrees with the sun like this. It's already you feel already the heat, no? So, yun. So, papunta kami ngayon sa... by the way, happy Easter. Easter yesterday, Sunday. Pero belated happy Easter.
Today it's Easter Monday.
Today it's Monday. Easter Monday.
It's Easter.
Yes. Easter Monday, yeah. So, ngayon papunta kami, magpi-picnic kami with Nancy's friends. Yan si Nancy. You can see. Pipiknik kasi kami kasama yung mga bata, katapos lang namin mag-lunch, and then merenda yon kasama ang mga bata and friend of Nancy. Cosa? Acqua? Va bene, non fa niente. Mamma mia. Ngayon ay very funny na si Dylan magsalita dahil parang adult na siya magsalita. Yeah, so
no papa. Yes, fai dispetti. Niente merenda.
Niente merenda.
Dove? No, va, se fai dispetti, niente merenda. Dove sta facendo i dispetti? Quindi no papa. No.
Yeah, so papunta kami sa Abbadia di Fiastra, yun. Alam niyo na yun. So yun yung isang lugar dito na pwedeng mag-picnic, pwedeng maglaro yung mga bata. It's a park.
Can also ride a horse.
Ride a horse, or parang Tagaytay.
I've been there, I don't know, many times, so it's already...
Yes, many times we vlog already there. I think last 2 weeks.
You can compare it to Tagaytay.
To Tagaytay. Yeah, can be. Pero Tagaytay, you need to pay. And yun. Okay. And somebody's already bike. No? Wala na ng summer, guys. Summer activities. Woo. Are we ready?
We start jogging.
Are we ready?
I said already, after yesterday I decided every Sunday I would go.
Every Sunday, okay.
It's a challenge for me.
Very good.
Day 1 starts next
It's
Sunday.
nice to go together. But the kids, how?
But you cannot wake up in the morning.
No, if we go to jogging, I can wake up in the morning because I was doing in the Philippines. Oh. Yes, è troppo lontano. Very far. La bicicletta tuoi? Tuo? Your bike? Indietro, okay. Okay guys, see you there. Ito na kami guys at medyo maraming tao. Nakatatlong ikot pa ako para lang maka-park. Alright. Nag-iiyak pa tong maliit natin, oh. Nag-iiyak pa tong maliit natin. Oh, I thought was sleeping. You were sleeping now. Stai dormendo. Stai dormendo. Ay no. Ah, pochino. Ok, va bene. Vieni. Però devi aspettare, eh. Devi aspettare, eh. Aspetta daddy che prendo le cose, ok? Ok, so napakaraming tao guys. Where's my key? Daming tao, sobrang daming tao today. You don't want to put? Provi. Okay, so punta na kami. Andun na raw sila, yung aming mga kaibigan. Maraming tao ngayon guys. At aspetta, bye. Kasi guys, kaya maraming tao, holiday ngayon. Kaya walang pasok ngayon. Kaya yun, marami. It's the usual thing dito after ng Easter Sunday, yung Easter Monday. Yan, for picnic yan. For the, why? For the people na mag-picnic, mag-gathering sa dito sa mga park. Hai visto già? Vai, vai, vai! Da stamattina, tu Mattia. Vai! Mamma mia! Hanno trovato un bel posto per giocare. Lo fai? Tao. Puno. Fresh, lalakad-lakad muna kami dito. Oh, tignan nyo naman. Ayan. Doon sa picnic area, maraming tao. Mga naglalaro. So, lakad-lakad muna kami saglit. Tapos ngayon, pabalik na kami, actually. Para magmerenda, magpicnic, magmerenda. I don't know. Yo, sino actually may merenda na. Hey, just so no. Antok na yan, di natulog yan ngayong tanghali. Kaya makakatulog yan in a whip. Kala namin maaraw, medyo maulap, kaya medyo malamig-lamig ng konti. Pero sakto lang. Prendi Uber mama. Okay, may mga bulaklak na. Show me the bulaklak mo. Nakatulog na oh. Tulog na baby. Pa may pagkain pa sa kamay oh. Tulog na. Ancora?
Questo è per te.
Oh, anche per me, grazie.
No, niente.
Ah, tieni?
È bellissimo.
Per te.
Grazie. Siamo alla cioccolata.
Ginawa namin kagabi, guys, yung pancake. It's good. Senza sugar, without sugar, guys, without sugar, without egg. No, there's egg. Without sugar, without egg, without nothing. So it's
Egg, yogurt
egg, yogurt, and
and flour.
flour. Go! Nada via. Non vai lontano, eh. Che fai? Che fai? Oh. No. Uwi na kami at medyo malamig na. Non metti in bocca. Ay, dito dino. Vai. Guys, so dito na kami sa bahay, sobrang pagod at yan, di-dinner lang kami ng very quick dinner lang, how you call this? Piadina roll, at Nancy salad lang. Ito si Noah pasta. Si Dylan ay tulog na dahil sa sobrang laro, it's very tired. Kaya yun. And we are watching news about Papa Francesco, and it's all over the news. I don't know, siguro of course in the Philippines also. No, it's more because we know Catholic nation like Philippines. It's more emotional at this time. No. Yes. Sorry. Papa Francesco was 88 years old. No, was Pope 11 years. Pope, as Pope, huh?
11 years, 350 days.
11 years and 350 days. Almost 12 years, sabi ni Nancy. Yun. So, yun guys. I don't know kung makakapunta ako ng Rome. This, maybe next month. So, yun. Kain muna kami guys. At I end the vlog here. A very quick vlog. At yun, maraming salamat po sa panonood. Kung nakaabot kayo dito, congratulations and thank you very much for watching. Good night, guys. See you on next vlog. God bless. Ciao.